Hi guys. Okay, I made Roohafza ice cream today and it turned out super delicious. So let me tell you how I made it. I used about 100 grams of thick cream, also called as heavy cream, or you can use whipping cream. And in case you don't have any of those, then I'll give you some alternate options that I got from some other videos in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. The next ingredient is fresh cream. You can also use malai. So when you boil milk, the malai that floats on top, you can scrape that out, and 1 cup of that should be okay. Now since this is rose flavored, I've added 2 tablespoons of rose water, after which the star ingredient we'll add 3 tablespoons of Roohafza. Now you see my blender here, right? It closes from the bottom, so I don't suggest, if you have a blender like mine, then don't add Roohafza now. You need a sweetener for this because Roohafza is sweet, but combined with the cream, it will not be that sweet like an ice cream. So you have to add either sugar or condensed milk. I've used 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. See the problem here? It'll not churn and it'll not mix with the Roohafza here. So I suggest, if you have a blender like mine, don't add Roohafza now. If you have the blender that opens from top, then you can also mix it with a fork, right? So that should be okay. Now you pour it in your dabba. Your dabba, as in your box, should have a lid. Lid is important. You see, I got stuck, so I had to mix it with a fork. Now I was not happy with the color. Okay, I didn't like this light pinkish thingy. I mean, it was barely any pink there. So what I did was I added some more Roohafza so that I could get some more pinky color. And this is what you can do. In case you have a blender like mine, don't add Roohafza while you churn it. Instead, you churn the cream and then you add Roohafza like this, and stir it well because it will stick to the bottom otherwise. Do taste it, okay? In case it's not sweet enough, then you can add some more sugar and whisk it, or you can add condensed milk. Now clean the sides and put the lid on, and you have to refrigerate it for minimum of 4 hours, or at least that much it took in my fridge. And that's it. Keep it in your freezer. Okay, I made the ice cream at 9 o'clock in the morning so that I could eat it by lunch, but I forgot to have it during lunch, and I opened it, say, about 4 o'clock in the evening, and it was perfectly set. No ice crystals whatsoever. Now, because it was a little hard, I couldn't take it out in one scoop, so I had to struggle. You see how hard it is? Anyway, but this is how all the ice creams in my freezer last, because it's quite cooling. And you see, it's so creamy. It doesn't have those ice crystals, and when I had it, it was so amazing. We finished 1 dabba already. In case your ice cream crystallizes, then what you can do is take it out and put it in the blender, and you have to churn it again, after which you'll freeze it again, and then it'll be very creamy. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. Check the description for details. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave you with the music as always. Bye.